pedal here just stuck to the ground, to the floor. So I'm pretty sure it's the clutch cable. I've looked under the car, and when you move the clutch up and down, it's not moving. Figure out how to latch it on there. Looks like it's kind of easy. Zoom up here and see what I can see. Okay. Looks like there's a good bit of slack. I do know it's gonna come right through here. This is gonna come up. This is my clutch cable here. So it runs down through here. It looks like it just wraps back around. It's attached there. And then underneath the car goes back to right here. Okay, so I'll jack it up when it gets time for that. So no lie, I literally have a shoestring tied up there. And I kept it tied to my other shoe so I won't accidentally pull it through. Yep. Here's where she's broke. Broken clutch cable. Glad I wasn't wrong. So I got that fed through, got to put the screws back in, and then I'll just kind of go as I go, take one off, put one back on. It's going to go up through here, that way. So I finally got this bolt off. Really hard, just because it's in a tight spot. So I pulled this out, and this thing has to go through. Let me show you. This little knob, this little thing pushes back and forth, but there's a pin or something, like a hole that's got a thread through. If I can show you a good angle. Let me find it. Okay. You can kind of see there, it's got to go through that little hole. And I had this little bolt I've got to put back on there. And I believe it goes. Alright, let's see if I've got it in there. I do have some. It's just really loose, so I guess I have to tighten this up some. I'm still attached here. There is some give. It doesn't like clearly go to the floor on its own. So somehow I've got to tighten that. So basically what I did is I took out the slack here and I tightened this more. So it's tighter. Just a little bit of play. Okay, I didn't do much. I don't really know how much I adjusted it, but let's see if it'll go in gear. Okay, it didn't make a sound, but let's see. Whoop. Sensitive. I got the blocks on. Very happy. Got the fitness package here. Work your arms. So we're running. This is all good.